Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to show you what I got in the mail today. It was my Maxim quarterly Afghan crochet club kit. So mine arrives in August. And yeah, so kind of excited. Anyways, so I wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming. If you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. And also, hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. And yeah, so I've been wanting to try the new Baked Crochet Solid Hues yarn. So this is great. I'm very excited. So the kit comes with 8 cakes of her new yarn. She also came out with the shimmering yarn, which I showed you, which actually Maxim put in last month's crochet club kit of the month, and that was in there, so that was nice. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. And for this month we got 8 cakes of this beautiful yarn. It's very soft, it's lovely. So it's Baked Solid Hues yarn. It's premium anti-pill acrylic yarn. It's a number 4 weight worsted weight yarn, and I would totally agree with that. She had done the names a little differently. So it reads here, millions of crochet enthusiasts have fallen in love with Crystal Deutman and her YouTube channel. Sorry if I mispronounced your last name, Crystal. Baked Crochet. Maxim is proud to partner with Crystal to create this one-of-a-kind anti-pill acrylic yarn, sure to excite yarn lovers everywhere. So it's approximately 320 yards or 293 meters. 150 grams or 5.3 ounces. It says wash using gentle, delicate cycle for 2 minutes. Lay flat to dry. Do not dry clean. It's made in Turkey. It recommends a 5mm US 8 knitting needles or a US H8 5mm crochet hook. And it does have a die lot number. So it's 660084 is my die lot. So that's how the label looks and what it says. So this colorway actually says that it is fluff and sweet stuff. So I think that might be why it is in our quarterly Afghan kit. A lot of times they give us discontinued yarn. I'm very happy that it is not discontinued yarn. But I will say, I think this is, you know, kind of like her burgundy wine colorway, which the name for that yarn is the adult grape juice. So I don't know if anybody else has ordered and they've gotten it with the label saying adult grape juice, or if everybody's gotten it with the label saying fluff and sweet stuff. So, and I'm not making it up, it's there. So, oh, and just in case you don't know, what I'm currently paying for it within the US is $33, $32.99 for the quarterly Crochet Afghan Kit Club. And the shipping is $5. This time it arrived via US Post Office. The other times, at least for the Crochet Club, it's been arriving Amazon. So I'm curious how this month's Crochet Club kit's gonna arrive. And the taxes was $2.75. Again, I said the shipping was $5, $4.99. So it comes to a total of $40.73, which I think falls within a good value for the kit. Currently the cakes of her Solid Hues yarn are priced, regular price, $5.99. So 8 of those would come out to $48. They are currently on sale though. So the sale price is $4.49, which 8 cakes of that would come out to $35.92, which is still more than the $32.99, because even if you're buying it at the sales price, you would still have to pay taxes, and you would also still have to pay shipping, unless you have like a free shipping coupon and you have like a further discount code like on top of the sale. No, baby, don't smell that. You smell the package. And I calculated, like, when you put the 8 cakes in your cart, the taxes would be $3.82. And I guess depending what you have for the shipping or not was how much that would come out to. And then I also wanted to mention that her Tonal Hues yarn is currently on sale at $5.24 a cake. And the Shimmering Hues yarn is $6.74 a cake, currently also on sale. And I have a link up to her channel up there. And yeah, now to see what the pattern is. So they're all the same colorway. It says it's this solid bordered throw. And that's what the 2026 up here, Crochet Club. And then the 6 is for June. I get it in August. I guess it depends when you signed up for the subscription. And they estimate, well, the pattern calls for a throw that's 48 inches by 54 inches. That's like the throw close up. I don't know if you can really see the stitching. There's a better picture in here of the stitching. It's kind of hard to show this without showing the pattern. Okay. So that's what it looks like. I'm not like a super fan of that stitching. Or of having, you know, a border like this of ribbing. But hey, if you like it, that's cool. So I probably will use we'll make something else with the yarn when I go to make it. But the pattern seems simple enough. It doesn't have a rating on it. It is a lot of post stitches. It has front post and back post, half double crochets and back post single crochets. Yeah, the border has a lot of post stitches. And apparently, like row 3 of the pattern, it's a bunch of back post single crochet stitches around the double crochets. So it'll be interesting. You can always do like a swatch and see if you like it or not. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.